Hey guys, this is Liv with Live Life Outdoors. We are not in the garden today, so one of the aspects of Live Life Outdoors is adventure life. I just really haven't delved that much into it onto the channel as of yet. Don't worry though, this video is for everyone, so please stick around. This is Emergency Preparedness, one of the homestead groups. Someone asked about what type of emergency things everyone uses, and I asked if there'd be any interest in my hiking / camping gear that doubles for emergency use, and people said yes, I would love to see that. So here we are. Now I'm running out of room on my phone, so I'm going to do this in categories. We're going to start with cooking. So first up is going to be our cooker, our portable cooker. So I love this thing. This is one of my favorites. So for people unaware of stuff like this is the cooker. And these pieces slide around. Now you can keep it small if you're doing like a aluminum cup and you want to heat up just a cup of water. You can fold these out and they are bigger and you're like, how the heck did I get a pan on that, right? So we have this right here. That's decent size, right? Not quite your full skillet, but it fits perfectly, and these heat up quickly. I found these at the dollar store several years ago. I would just look online, see what's lightweight and heats up quickly for pans. That way you're not using as much fuel. These I got for about $20 for a 2-pack. Again, that was about 10 years ago. I feel like one of these would probably be $20 at this point, but well worth the purchase. This particular brand was Techtricity. Techecity? I don't know. I don't think they have these ones anymore because I look for them. They do have this. It's just labeled something different. So if you look up tiny portable camping stove, you'll come across something like this. They do have ones that are a little bit bigger and more robust, so that might be something that works out for you. I don't know where my boyfriend's is, but it's like kind of looks like a spider because it's got 3, I don't know, it's just bigger. A little bit more robust. The ones that I don't recommend are the ones that go onto the green canisters where you have to like push down and turn at the same time. They're not very user-friendly to me, and the top of it is it's just not very solid. So, on that note though, I just said green canisters. You're probably used to seeing those in Walmart. The less common are these smaller ones. This is what you need for this one. The reason is they have a different fitting. So these are the C250s, or sometimes it just says 250. These run about like $6 or so. And I get about 10 meals plus in between that boiling water out of that. What I do recommend to make your food process easier and faster and more fuel efficient is cook up your meals and freeze them. Does that work for a long-term power outage situation? No, but it's a good start. That way we're avoiding any contamination, we're already frustrated, and we could just have all our food in the freezer, already cooked, pull it out, thaw it, and it's gonna heat up just fine in here. That's what we do for camping, because I don't like doing all the food stuff out camping. So tried and true, it works. If you were able to create a fire outside, I have just held this over, protect your hand, of course, but you can see the smoke marks on there. I've done that, it works, because again, these are the quick heat stuff. I do recommend having something that's easy to clean, again, for your frustration. Some dishes just aren't that easy to clean. I'm sure you have some in your household, so I do recommend something simple that washes out easily. Also, I don't have it up here. I would recommend one of the 7-gallon water containers from Walmart. It has the little like flippy thing. They're about $15. It is great for having the water to wash things if you don't have access to water. And obviously you can store water for drinking as well and for cooking with. Those are fabulous. We just got one of those our last camping trip, It was phenomenal. And we just used it when our sewer backed up into our house. That was a great way to have water ready to use, that I didn't have to go turn the hose on and everything. That was awesome. So do recommend. So that's it for this one. Pretty simple. If you're going to use any of those portable things, just make sure that you have like aluminum type cookware and things that heat up quickly, because that's what you want so that you are not using that much fuel. All right, so I will get started on the next one. I'm not sure what that category will be next, but I'll see you there.